Watch ya. What side chick no bow avocado oil? Morning. She don't want to sit down again, people. She wants to be on the move. She don't want to stay in her pen. She wants to stand up. She's working out here, 1 foot up, 1 foot down. She's figuring out how she's going to approach her first steps. You hear the doggy? You hear Peppa? Doggy. Yeah. Hi. I too come to you. Alright guys, good morning. We are here. It's one of those weekends when we are, how should I put it? We are bounded to the virtues of parenting, okay? So we don't have any help this weekend. So it's just we and the picking in it then. So we wake up from early this morning and feed the baby, change the baby. Hey Peppa, stop it nice though, man. I feed the baby, I change the baby, I change the garbage, I feed the cat, I feed the dog. I have to wash these bad picnic. So I've been doing my thing from morning, okay? Sometimes I have to shout out my list so the people around the back can hear. So me I do things, bow, yeah. Lock up, open up the house. What bag of thing that go out from morning, okay? Cleaning up, tidying up the place. Yeah, that is me. That is me this weekend. Domestic daddy, daycare. Yes, hello. All right. I wake up to one of the worst things. Pepper, vomit. People, one of the worst things next to human vomit is dog vomit. I know me have to negotiate which technique me I gotta use to clean it up. Disgusting, bro. No, I won't show them. I will spare MTM family. I'm not gonna show them. They are trying to figure out how we're gonna approach it now.
Morning, guys. Yes, as Wayne told you, it's already an eventful morning in the Mitchell house. Jackson is offered a friend today, and that means that our lesson hours are gonna be mad in us for the rest of today. Alright, you know what I always say, let's see how it goes. That is the face of somebody who did something you did not want to do. Ugh. Thank you though. Ugh. It's gross.
Now breakfast, me they want to eat enough weight about an hour now.
Why
and the piece them a drop.
Yuck, bye. Why did she do that? What happened? It looked like a running belly. She eat a mango?
I don't know what she eat, bro.
Never mind.
So guys, we went out on Friday evening. We actually we made a quick drive down to Ochi, and we attended the official ribbon cutting ceremony for Sandals Duns River. So another hotel installation in the Sandals series is up and running now. So congratulations to Adam Stewart and the Sandals team for...
Yeah, they said that after it's open properly, it will provide 850 jobs.
Yeah.
That's a lot, you know?
Yeah, 850. Guess what? It's 850 employees to 250 rooms. So
460.
260 rooms. So for every one person who is staying there, they will have room. Or one room, yeah. They will have like 3 different people servicing them. So
well, that's not technically how it works.
No, but the ratio is.
The ratio
yeah,
is, yes.
That's what it is.
I think they had. We actually got to meet one of the project managers. We met so many people, so many MTM first people, by the way.
Yeah.
And this particular woman was in charge. Careful boys, was in charge of restaurants and bars. How many restaurants you said was there?
12 restaurants at the one hotel. Yeah, a whole heap of bars. So Tessie also performed. Yeah. Sasko performed. Yeah. Shaggy performed as well. Ashley was on the bill too. Nice vibe. Was whole heap, Stamp the Yard. You know that
movie?
No, Stamp the Yard is a group that perform on Broadway.
Oh yeah. Garbage bins.
Yeah, and people are flying at the sky and beer things, bag of things going. So that was a good little outing. So we get a little escape in the weekend and we don't lock in fully, even though now we kind of locked in. Jackson is gone on the road with one of his cousins.
Momo is off for the weekend.
Yeah,
I told him already.
yeah. Them know what's up. They know what's up when Momo is not around.
Why? We try Daddy.
Nice.
No,
music.
no, no.
Nice
I'm trying to
music.
practice.
Alright, Ozzy, leave him. You have to go sort out this, you know. Ivy, you have to come deal with your big brother them. So them no war and fight. Alright, Mr. Man. You just run off your brother off of the piano, so. Ivy. Come Ivy, you ready, like you're ready for walk any minute now. You're ready for step off. Alright guys, so you know, mango season soon done, so just go and bear it with while we, you know, mango up and whatever. You see me? This is Mango Junior and this is Mango Senior. And this guy makes me very proud to how him deal with mango.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes.
Yes.
That way I can do that.
You get mango at your school?
Yeah.
Hmm?
I got mango at my school.
Off the tree?
Yeah.
Who give you?
Mark.
Mark give you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do eat it all day while they
Mark no say you have mango dad, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Try not to mess up yourself, okay? Yeah, my G. Mm-hmm.
Okay, do this.
Mm-hmm.
That makes the biggest. That makes the mine bigger.
I don't like it when it's too ripe, you know.
Okay.
I don't talk when we're
Have to have a liquor, you know, so?
Mm-hmm.
People like to hit turn. Let's look put this in her to brain now. Okay.
I'm doing it, bro. I did it. Hey, look I'm doing.
You don't like the mango, yeah?
Yeah, this is
Too
yellow.
ripe. Softy.
And this
I got some blacky mango tea.
no, this is yellow. Okay, I did it.
Go and eat up, my G.
Beautiful papa today with lemon juice on there. So yummy and delicious. I know Wayne and Ozzy already tortured you with the mango, so I'm going to try and not torture you. But I did want to mention it's 11 o'clock and I look crazy and I'm only just getting a chance to sit down and eat something. You know how it go already. Making sure everything is in order. Tidying up, setting up for dinner, setting up for lunch for the kids as well too, making their breakfast, cleaning up, tidying up, you know how it go. Anyway, I got a lovely little message from Taryn and Anna that I wanted to include in today's vlog, so I'm just going to stick it here. I told them from time to time they need to drop us a little hello, kind of like what Nana does all the time. In fact, guys, I feel so bad because Nana sends them to me and I always forget to put them in. And it's after I'm like, geez and peace, so I'm going to try and do better at that too. Before I go into that, my cousin and my aunt are actually coming to visit me today, so I'm excited about that. And I think Shannon is going to pass by as well. And I told Alex to come over, come see us today, so hopefully we'll see him today as well too. Yeah, that is it.
All right.
Hi, MTM.
Hey, MTM.
Hello. It's Saturday today in England, and we came back home on Tuesday. It was an interesting flight, as Tami mentioned in the last vlog, but we reached home safely, which is great. And we just wanted to say thank you very, very much, because I actually had time to sit down and look through the comments that you posted, and it's absolutely overwhelming, and it's so lovely to see how you guys are embracing us as a couple and all the congratulations and everything. It was so lovely, and I didn't expect that. And when I feel a bit down now because we've got the holiday blues, trust me, we were back to work on Wednesday. In my lunchtime I was just browsing the lovely comments. They just keeping me going.
And thanks for allowing us to share our time together with you, and for embracing Anna, like I said, and inviting her
you
into
so
our
much.
culture and into our way of life.
I
And
feel half
so
Jamaican.
for being you're more than
I'm
Jamaican.
Yardi, as people say Yardi.
And yeah, just thank you for allowing us to share that with you and enjoying it with us, and
Love, peace, and whatever.
peace, love, and unity.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And yeah,
Bye.
greetings and love to MTM. Bye.
Don't kill me now. Mommy, us is actually playing.
You two are actually playing
Yeah, I'm at the top. I'm at the lower top.
I am so happy to
Press
see
X,
this
press X on.
big development in the Mitchell house, Wayne.
Duck. I just see it.
Mercy me. All right, I'm actually
I killed this duck.
I'm gonna go get some carrots, Wayne. I forgot them for under the,
Can I come? Ah.
and I'm gonna get some. No, don't lean on that, Baba. And I'm gonna get a coffee because I didn't get to drink my coffee today. So
Can I come?
no, you guys stay and play. I'll be right back.
But I want to do fight.
No water fight. No, it's going to rain. Ivy, I think, went back to sleep. Atlas, please. No. All right, let me get out here before this get mental.
See Mr. Chin come link with you know. I don't MTM family see you from you put on the big show.
No.
When I see the big singer, you know.
Not the topic, man.
The Asian Elvis Presley, man. Them dead. People all know them attack. You know, say down away name there. A first cousin see me. Big up yourself to Sheikah. She said, listen, Wayne, I have to watch the show twice to how the liquor party did so nice. Boy, I'm not telling a lie.
Big up my family.
Yeah, man.
Love.
Yeah, man.
Here, you know
See, Heather here.
Always want to know where is Gigi. That Miss Gigi. Where is Gigi? Where is Gigi? See Gigi, yeah?
Gigi, I hide from one here, you know. So guys, I just got some sad news, very sad news, that one of my brethren from years now, Boom Dandemite, just passed away. He met in a car accident about, I think maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and he has been recovering. He left the island and went to the US and then had a relapse and had some complications, and that was it. I want to say condolences to all of his family and loved ones. You guys would know Boom Dandemite best from his work with Scare Them Crew, Nitikochi, Elephant Man, Harry Toddler, Angel Doulas, Daily Bread, Bramwell. Condolences to a community who is grieving right now, Seaview Gardens. Boom Dandemite was nothing but a real G to me. Welcomed me into the business when I was 19 years old. Always, you know, had great advice and showed me the ropes, and was just always good to me. So it would be remiss of me to not, you know, send my condolences on my platform. Definitely was a virgin throughout the years and up until now. Resident horticulturist. I teach Tami 2 things.
Auntie Maureen know all of the tricks and the trade, man. She teach me something today, Google Lens, where you can take a picture of the plant and it will tell you what it is or give you options.
That's true?
Yeah.
Google do that?
Yes, it's Google, don't you tell me? Yeah.
Zachary did it for me.
Smell nice.
What?
You want some? It's
Yes,
wild.
Yeah,
It's wild.
I know.
It's crazy how it grows. This is it cut back.
Yes.
It goes so.
Yeah, man. Cut it and
I will.
The one that mint, right?
Yeah, and it smells so
The auntie
good.
not supposed to have mint down there, no for.
I used to have, but I have the regular bush mint. But I
She
like
was
that.
literally inside a while ago taking care of my plants.
What I have,
Oh God.
I can give you some rosemary.
Oh yes, I love the rosemary. I normally have it in a
Yes,
pot.
no.
Yeah. No, I have to buy it for whole heap of money. And then when I used to grow the callaloo, I never had to buy the callaloo. And the callaloo was nice, you know. But the pests, it attract pests.
I know. That's sometimes works.
Let me take you upstairs.
Has it gone?
That was so cute.
Hi, Bookie. Hi, Bookie. Hi, Bookie, Bookie. Yes, love you. Yes, Bookie. Watch my wife I deal with Sunday dinner.
But when
Watch
I
out.
just said to Shannon, I was like, why am I a hurricane in the kitchen? I'm like a hurricane. Like, things have to be everywhere. The sink is loaded. Like, that's too small. I will show you what to do.
Watch out. Watch out. Brussels sprout people.
When you look in the oven.
Huh? Brussels sprout people. What side chick know about Brussels sprout? Side chick no know nothing about Brussels sprout.
I'm not comfortable even with this conversation.
Alright?
What are you
People,
talking
watch
about?
out. Watch out. What side chick know about avocado oil, pan potato? Not do that. That is why I'm a dedicated man.
When I have bread in my mouth, when whatever.
The
That's
long
not
nails
even-
side chick them can stay.
I'm here.
That may I try telling you. Shannon, what are your nanny rates like? You know, say I go and go to the Sundance. Look at that.
Smile for daddy.
Look at Auntie Shannon. No, Auntie Shannon, I'm gonna work something now. The next
There you go.
yeah, the tough part. She could work that other part too.
Yeah. I nearly offer up some services for the week.
Okay, we're here. Alright, baby, bye. But if you ever try get a side chick, I hope you choke.
I want you.
Anything she cook, I hope you choke.
What kind of what kind of side chick? Right now, the only thing to me is my bride chick. My bride chick.
God, I'm gonna vomit. Oh my God, Shannon wants to face. Whatever.
Shannon.
Whatever.
Shannon.
Worst thing I've ever heard.
Shannon do all of the tall deals them in town.
No.
Everybody with the tall deal, and she responsible for them. Not to say everybody with tall nails is a side chick, but you know. Sunday dinner look good though.
When the people them said, let's see you cooking how long. Okay.
Mom, I heard that.
Yeah. What you heard, baby?
You know, say
The battery that you just
I did not just say a bad word.
To be honest-
them don't see you cooking how long.
to be honest, what has really happened is the stuff that I cook is no longer in my diet, not currently in my diet plan.
Real
You know
chicken
what I'm
is
saying?
very innate. Steak is very innate.
Steak.
Red meat is good. Yeah.
Then what day I cook
peanut-
steak?
it's
Tammy,
just a
come
peanut
on,
porridge,
come
you
on.
mean?
Not because I don't vlog, just what day I
But
cook
the people them
steak.
say them do.
Right now, I'm here the steak champion. And you saying Bolt still a run from me, but he's a track star. He's a runner, he's a track star. You know what I'm saying? Yes, Boozy, where you say?
someday you know cook me the peanut porridge.
From day.
You know, say I really thought me did promise
From
to say.
time. Atlas,
No,
not
but
from day.
I told him say over the weekend I would have sought him out. Cha.
Too bad.
Alright, where you say peanut porridge this week then? You're on midterm break, so I'll get the stuff
I will
tomorrow.
have to leave the house if you make that because I love that so much and I
No.
will drop.
One
down.
little cup can't trouble you.
It will
brother.
mash me up.
One little cup.
One meal and I'm done. This is how you do it. Cheers! Clink! And look at these two. The cousins. Tested, they're bonded, you know. They're bonded. Oh, it's a video. Hi, guys. Look at these two. Okay, I now pronounce you best friends, okay? Best friends forever. You coming out? Okay, hold on.
So Jax is back from his beach trip. How was it? Good?
It was amazing.
Really?
Yeah.
You enjoyed yourself. Watch ya now, people. Look at this, man. Oh my God.
One more thing. I'm so full right now. Can't even eat.
You can't match. Or later you get your dinner.
Yeah, let's
Right now is my turn.
And later.
Bossing.
The food is busting.
It's busting.
That's what's up.